No regrets, Coyote. We just come from such different sets of circumstance. I'm up all night in the studios and you're up early on your edge. You'll be brushing out a brood mare's tail while the sun is ascending, and I'll just be getting home with my reel-to-reel. There's no comprehending just how close to the bone and the skin and the eyes and the lips you can get, and still feel so alone, and still feel related, like stations in some relay all-nighter, hit and run driver, oh no, racing away. You just picked up a hitcher, a prisoner on the white lights of the free.